Out here with the Bugs 5W because some person wanted me to see if I could figure out this Waypoints. Now these types of quadcopters I don't usually do Waypoints with, but I never messed with this, but I'm gonna see what we can get going here. So there's a little icon down here in the bottom right corner. It's got a finger with like pointed like that with a line, so I'm assuming your aircraft is okay. So we got to take off first. Okay, I'm going to put it in the GPS mode, and we're going to unlock the motors and take off. Well, I'll start some video too while I'm at it, since I do have a there's 11 satellites, so it should hover pretty much there. Okay, so let's do that. So I hit that. I'm not really liking the map here. I'm gonna do a short one, okay? That's all you do, is just draw it right there on the screen and hit submit. It says loading and hit yes. If it crashes, then it crashes. Okay, I don't know. It's still flying. I think it went right into them trees, and it's still going. I have no idea how accurate this map is. Boy, that sure as hell looked like it went right in the trees to me. We'll see when we watch the video. No, it doesn't even look like it's moving. It's, unless it did go in the tree. I don't know. Oh, it's just sitting there, hovering. So it stopped right in midpoint. So I'm gonna have to walk all the way over here to see what the hell this thing's doing. It just stopped right in the middle of the waypoint, right between number 3 and number 4. Because I could have swore it went into them trees, man. I swear to God. I could have swore that it did that. But we're gonna see when we watch the video back. Yep, see, it just stopped right there. Here it is. Weird, man. Strange bugs. Strange bugs. I don't even know how to get out of the waypoint mode, okay, to be honest with you. I get there's like a recycle button here where you could hit it like it would be resuming it. Okay, there's another map screen on there that shows you the satellite image, not just the drawing of the park. which I never noticed before. But I just don't like waypoints on these toy quadcopters. Now I don't even know how to get out of it. Okay, I deleted it. That's all you do is hit delete to get out of it. Let me just try one out and back. I'll go out to the thing right there and then back to me. Okay, so we'll go with that. And then you hit the submit button in the bottom right. Okay, now it's got to where it went. And it's coming back. It came back well short of where I told it to come back to. So these toy quadcopters, these Waypoint, the accuracy is not there, man. I'm telling you, I would not trust these Waypoints on this thing, okay? Okay, so we did it. We did the Waypoints for the guy. It's really simple. You just hit the little finger there with the arrow, then you draw it on there and hit submit. That's all there is to it. But it's not accurate, so you make sure you're in some kind of really big ass field where accuracy doesn't really mean a whole hell of a lot. Now I can't fly over there today, guys, because there's a big party going on over at the pavilion, so I can't go out there past the baseball field. So I'm not staying long anyway. It's 1,000 degrees out here. I just wanted to show this guy this stuff on here with that. So I am going to burn the video or the battery down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to cut the video out now anyway. It's a real nice day, but it's like 90 degrees out here, man. It's just like my phone is going into shutdown mode. The bugs is bugging, or the iPhone 8 is bugging. It's saying I'm boiling. All right, so anyway, there it was. All right, guys, there you go. Bugs 5W, it's a beauty. Waypoints, they're a little sketchy. Okay, I wouldn't trust these waypoints unless you were in a big place like where Marcus goes, that big giant joint. You know, he goes out to that big soccer thing and whatever that place is. He goes to Snake River Canyon. Go out there. You'll be fine out there at the Snake River. I'm definitely needing to get me some kind of sunshade for these phones, man, because these iPhones, when they get too hot, when the sun's beating down on them, they shut down, or they'll just go into this real like low power mode. All right guys, have a nice day.